Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active VPN account, credentials, and the device you'll use. Next, pick the target location, country, city, or a dedicated IP, because exit location determines content and latency. Install the official VPN client for your operating system. Use the App Store or provider download. Once done, sign in and grant any requested permissions. Make sure kill switch and DNS leak protection options are visible so you can enable them before connecting. You now configure connection settings for reliability and speed. First, enable the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic stops if the VPN drops. This preserves your chosen location. Then select a server in the target city. Prefer low ping nodes for speed or specialized servers for streaming or P2P. Choose a protocol: WireGuard or OpenVPN for strong performance, TCP if you need stability. After adjusting, initiate the connection and wait for the client to report a secure tunnel. You finish by verifying the location change and testing services. Check your public IP and geolocation through an IP lookup to confirm the exit country or city. Then access the apps or sites you targeted, streaming catalogs, region-locked pages, or banking portals to ensure functionality. If something fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Restart the VPN client, switch to a different server in the same country, and clear your system DNS cache. This often resolves persistent geolocation or routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.